Welcome to Archicad. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to insert elements into a list in Python. We can add a new element at any position in our list by using the insert method. We can do this by specifying the index of the new element and the value of the new item. So let's see, we have our list of motorcycle names such as Yamaha and Honda. And now we are going to insert by using insert method at position 0, and we are going to add new motorcycle name Suzuki at this position. The insert method opens a space at position 0 and store the value Suzuki at that location. So we're just gonna print our list now. And this operation shifts every other value in the list one position to the right. And here is the output. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.